This man has undergone 1,000 cosmetic procedures. If you're wondering how much that cost, it's around $985,000.
Listen, just give me the money.
Known as the Human Ken doll, Justin Jedlica has been modeling his body and face for over 20 years.
Correct.
So, what's it like to get extreme cosmetic surgery? Are there any consequences?
What happened to your face?
Well, we hope you have a strong constitution because we're going to find out on today's challenge. This is your body on Extreme Surgical Makeovers.
Well, I had bad plastic surgery.
Contrary to popular belief, cosmetic surgery and plastic surgery are not the same thing. While cosmetic surgery enhances one's appearance,
Can you bring any Botox?
plastic surgery focuses on repair and reconstruction. It is used, for example, to help burn victims or those with physical defects. But on today's episode, we'll be focusing on cosmetic surgery. All right, are you ready for your makeover? Cosmetic surgeries like breast augmentation, nose reshaping, and liposuction are all pretty standard. But to keep things interesting, we are going to dive into some of the more unusual body modifications, like abdominal etching.
What is that?
Don't know what that is? Well, you better keep watching.
I'm listening.
This procedure, yeah, you guessed it, lengthens your legs. First, the doctors break your shin bones in half and insert a telescopic rod between the two halves. Then, the rod slowly pulls the bones apart at a rate of approximately 1 millimeter a day. This allows the bone, muscle tissues, ligaments, and skin to regenerate around your elongating legs. Now, not only is this process excruciating, but it could take anywhere from 3 months to 2 years to complete. And at a cost of around $85,000, you might be better off just buying some stilts on Amazon. In Japan, palm reading, also known as palmistry, is one of the most popular methods of fortune telling.
Can I read your palm?
But sometimes your palm lines will curse you with an unfortunate fate, like a short lifespan or loss of money. So naturally, people are altering their fates by altering their palm lines. Whether you're adding a money luck line or a marriage line, you can now customize your palm like you'd customize a pizza, although at a much steeper price. Hey, you want a six-pack without doing even one sit-up?
Yes, that's what I want.
I mean, who doesn't? Now, if you have some money to spend, this may be possible. Yes. Abdominal etching is an advanced type of liposuction that removes the fat between the ab muscles to give you an artificial washboard look. A reportedly painful procedure that costs around $6,000. Maybe you should stick to sit-ups. Although, abs for $6,000? I might take it.
A six-pack is gonna feel great.
An increasing number of teens have been presenting cosmetic surgeons with filtered photos of themselves from apps like Snapchat as a guide for how they want to look. Dubbed Snapchat dysmorphia, self-esteem issues caused by the daily use of social media have become a growing concern.
I'll take a selfie. Take a selfie. Let's take a selfie.
Cool sculpting is a popular alternative to liposuction. You can see it advertised on billboards all over Los Angeles. This FDA-approved procedure only focuses on small areas like stubborn belly fat. The targeted fat is squeezed between two cooling plates, and since fat freezes faster than skin, it's frozen before frostbite occurs.
I'm just chilling, literally.
The doctors then massage the area and send you on your way. The whole procedure takes between 30 and 60 minutes. But results aren't instant. Over the next few weeks, your white blood cells attack the dead frozen fat cells and convert them into triglycerides. They are then metabolized by your liver and expelled from your body through your urine or feces. Sounds pretty easy compared to most of the procedures on this list, but at $400 to $1,800 per session and requiring multiple sessions, that adds up. How about a gym membership instead?
Good idea.
Yeah, you read it right. If you have stash envy, well, there's a solution for you. This burgeoning cosmetic procedure usually involves extracting hair from other parts of your body and implanting them on your face. It's unclear if you can choose from where these hairs are extracted. But if you think your dreams of having a distinguished Sam Elliott mustache just came true, think again. This procedure is generally only available in countries with lax cosmetic surgery laws and regulations.
I approve, it looks great.
You do?
Yeah.
That's it. It's the new me.
Breast implants are commonplace. Penis implants? Not so much.
I am Dr. Penis.
Not only is this surgery risky, expensive, and reportedly painful, it only adds about an inch, sometimes less. And according to Complex.com, a Delaware man had surgery that involved a 3-piece inflatable penile implant. But due to complications, the man suffered from an 8-month erection.
Yikes.
Ever wanted to look like the Joker from Batman?
Smile.
Well, now you can with Grin Surgery. Typically for those whose mouths are sagging from age, the procedure involves removing small skin triangles above each corner of the mouth. Not only does this surgery give your mouth a lift, but it leaves you with a permanent smile. It might sound cute, but a smile isn't appropriate for every situation.
That's completely inappropriate.
This procedure gives you a deeper voice by injecting fat into your vocal cords. It's often performed on men who are undergoing female-to-male transgender surgery. It's also becoming more popular among men who just want a deeper voice.
What happened to your voice?
This is my voice.
Take your smile to the next level with Dimple Implants. The surgeon removes a gumball-sized chunk of fat through a small incision in the cheek. This forces your cheek to contour inward, and voila! You now have dimples.
I'm beautiful!
This challenge showed the crazy ways in which you could mod your bod. But how about we try a more conventional way of transforming? Like working out for 24 hours straight. Think that's more your style? Well, we'll see what that challenge brings on another episode of Your Body On.